Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some air fried snapper fillets Escovitch style. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important for.
Now I divided my snapper fillets into 3 sections, according to the size that you want. And all I'm doing now, I'm just going with a little bit of olive oil just to brush over it, just to seal in the seasoning and to make sure that the fish doesn't dry out too much. Now whatever you do on one side, just make sure that you switch it over and do the same on the other side. Now I have here 2 teaspoons of fish seasoning. I have half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and I also have half a teaspoon of baking soda. And all I'm going to do is just sprinkle this over the fish, both sides, and use my brush to brush it in. Now these snapper fillets were previously frozen, so they're not at that freshness, but they were still absolutely delicious. Now use your directions on your air fryer according to what your air fryer can do. Now I'm going with a little bit of oil spray just to so that the fish doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now I went in skin side up, but if you're doing this, I would advise that you did your fish skin side down, because what happened halfway through, my fish started to curl up and I didn't want that. Now this is the first time I'm trying to do fish fillets in my air fryer. So I turned them over. Now I cooked these in total for about 10 minutes. Now when it was nearly finished, I switched it back over just to give that skin a little bit of crispness on top. Now I'm gonna go ahead now and make the sauce. Now I did have some previously made Escovitch pickle that I had stored, and I'm gonna go in with about 4 tablespoons of this sauce with about a teaspoon of sugar. Gonna go in with some onions and some shredded carrot, and I'm just gonna let this simmer down, and also a little bit of the Scotch bonnet that was in the previously made pickle. Now once this simmered a bit, I went in with a little bit of butter, because I do like a little bit of butter in my Escovitch sauce when I'm gonna put it over the fish. I think it just turns the sauce just really beautiful. And all that's left for you to do is just put this over your fish and just enjoy. I thoroughly enjoyed this fish, although it was air fried. It was really good. I thought to myself, but you know what, we move and we may try to make things so much better in our life health wise. And there you have it, guys, my air fried Escovitch snapper fillets. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.